Have you ever dreamed of speaking English fluently in just 1 month? I know it sounds like a bold promise, maybe even impossible, but the truth is, with the right strategies and consistent practice, you can make incredible progress in just 30 days. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, so by the end of this month, your English will sound more natural, confident, and fluent. The first thing to understand is that fluency isn't about memorizing long lists of words or perfecting grammar rules. Many learners spend months studying without speaking because they think memorization equals fluency. That's not true. Fluency comes from active use of English in real-life situations. It's about speaking, thinking, and even dreaming in English whenever you can. Start your 1-month journey by setting up a simple daily routine. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to an hour each day to actively speak English. Don't wait to feel ready. Start with small sentences, describing your day, your surroundings, or your thoughts. For example, I ate breakfast at 8 a.m., or the weather is sunny today. At first, your sentences might feel short and awkward, but every day your brain is forming the connections that will make fluent speaking easier. Immersion is another key to speed up your learning. Surround yourself with English wherever possible. Listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, or music in English. Watch short movies or series with subtitles. Read articles, blogs, or even social media posts in English. The goal is to expose yourself to English naturally, so your brain picks up sentence structures, vocabulary, and pronunciation without forcing it. The more you hear, the more your brain adapts. One of the fastest ways to improve fluency is through shadowing. This means listening to a native speaker and repeating exactly what they say, including their tone and rhythm. For example, you can take a short video clip, pause after each sentence, and repeat it out loud. I remember when I started shadowing just 10 minutes a day, my pronunciation and confidence improved dramatically in a matter of weeks. Speaking confidently also requires overcoming the fear of making mistakes. Many learners hesitate to speak because they worry about errors or sounding silly. But mistakes are proof that you're learning. Every time you correct yourself or try a new sentence, your fluency grows. Embrace mistakes. They are stepping stones to speaking naturally and confidently. Another powerful technique is learning phrases, not just single words. Instead of memorizing eat, run, or go, learn full sentences like, I usually eat breakfast at 8 a.m., or I want to go to the market. When you know phrases, you don't have to think about constructing sentences from scratch. You start thinking in English, which is exactly what you need for fluency. Daily practice should include speaking, listening, reading, and writing, even if just for a few minutes each. Narrate your actions, repeat phrases, record yourself speaking, or chat with AI or language partners online. The key is active engagement, not passive study. Even 15 to 20 minutes of focused speaking daily can bring huge improvements over 1 month. Technology can also accelerate your progress. Use language apps to practice new words, AI chatbots to simulate conversations, or online platforms to join speaking clubs. You can practice anytime, anywhere, and get instant feedback. The more you use English actively, the faster your fluency will improve. Let me share a story from my own experience. I once challenged myself to speak English fluently in 30 days. I followed a strict routine, speaking aloud every morning, shadowing short video clips, and chatting online in English every evening. At first, I stumbled over words constantly. By the second week, I could form sentences more easily. By the end of the month, I was speaking much more naturally, thinking in English without translating in my head, and even enjoying conversations. The secret wasn't luck. It was consistency, smart practice, and the courage to speak from day one. Mindset is also crucial. Believe that you can improve and visualize yourself speaking confidently. Motivation fuels action. Combine active speaking,
shadowing, immersion, phrase learning, and technology with persistence, and you'll see results in just 1 month. So, if your goal is to speak English fluently in 1 month, start today. Practice daily, embrace mistakes, learn phrases, immerse yourself in English, and speak as much as possible. Follow these strategies consistently, and by the end of 30 days, you'll notice a real difference in your fluency, confidence, and comfort with English. Thank you for joining me on the English Hour today. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with someone who wants to speak English fluently in just 1 month. Keep practicing every day, and I promise your English will improve faster than you ever imagined. I'll see you in the next episode with more practical tips to speak English naturally, confidently, and fluently.